This is the Suzuki 8T, finished in deep black with golden accents. No exaggeration, no drama, just a machine that immediately feels serious. The moment you see it, the stance, the weight, the way it sits on the floor, it gives off the feeling of a controlled beast, calm but ready. The design is clean and muscular. The black paint absorbs the light while the gold accents add just enough contrast to highlight the shape without looking loud. Every line feels intentional. Nothing is overdone, nothing is missing. It's the kind of design that grows on you the longer you look at it. Up close, the build quality stands out. The metal parts feel solid, the finishes are clean, and the details are tight. The tank, the engine area, the controls, everything feels well thought out and properly assembled. This doesn't feel like a bike built to impress on paper. It feels built to last. When the ignition comes on, the sound is deep and controlled. It doesn't shout for attention. It feels confident, like it knows exactly what it is. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, giving you confidence whether you're riding calmly or pushing a little harder. The riding position feels natural and balanced. You're comfortable, but still in control. The seat, the handlebars, the overall ergonomics make it easy to ride for long periods without fatigue, while still feeling connected to the bike. It's relaxed when you want it to be, and responsive when you need it. Even standing still in the showroom, the Suzuki 8T has presence. Surrounded by light and a slight haze, it looks strong, planted, and premium. On the road, it carries the same energy, not flashy, not aggressive for show, but confident and composed. This bike isn't about hype.